Good evening. Today we are going to see about cleaning validation. Small hints, objectives. Many questions related to cleaning validation are still open and have to be answered within these companies. What does the cleaning validation concept have to look like to be GMP compliant and cost effective? Which risk analysis are applicable to cleaning validation? How helpful can a riboflavin test to be? Which maximum value is scientifically acceptable, especially in the field of APIs? Which sampling procedure is appropriate for which process and facility? How can you cut cost by means of bracketing? How are critical areas defined? Is cleaning evaluation the solution for seldom manufactured products? Which microbiological maximum values are valid in the areas of non-sterile dosage forms and APIs, and special aspects of cleaning validation in biotech API plants? These questions will also be discussed with the help of practical exams. Background: in the manufacture of medicinal products and APIs, the cleaning of facilities and equipment is an important measure to avoid contamination and cross-contamination. In compliance with the GMP regulations, cleaning is performed and documented according to the described procedures. In the past, the cleaning effectiveness was often monitored only visually. However, residual of APIs and excipients as well as of detergents are increasingly an issue of inspection and audits. The success of cleaning procedures has to be validated. In addition to the FDA Guide to Inspection of Cleaning Validation, the PICS documents PH006 and Annexure 15 address cleaning validation is in a separate chapter. Moreover, the ICH guideline Q7 GMP and for APIs also requires cleaning validation, as well as two guidelines by APIC, the Association of European API Manufacturers, a new guideline from EMA on dedicated facilities and exposure limits for cleaning validation, and revised Annexure 15 now deal with a PDE, permitted daily exposure approach program. Fundamental concept of cleaning principle and life cycle, clarifying the international regulatory evaluation, cleaning design and processes, type and selection of cleaners, soil residue evaluations, worst case selections, determination of the critical parameters, SMART objective, sampling selection based on the risk based assessments, cleaning documentation life cycle, cleaning validation concepts, introduction of relevant guidelines, CV concept, CV risk management, CV plan, CV report, CV revalidation, CV verification, typical inspection findings, warning letters, cleaning validation in biotech API plants, what is difference between chemical and biotech APIs, acceptance criteria for biotech APIs, what is the adequate analytical method to detect biotech APIs in cleaning validation, special aspects of cleaning validation, acceptable criteria, cleaning methods, CIP, WIP, manual cleaning, random controls, hold time studies, DHT, CHT, validation of analytical methods used for CV, cleaning evaluation and validation in chemical API production, differences regarding cleaning in API production to the production of medicinal products, the challenges of API production, acceptance criteria, adequate sampling, is cleaning evaluation accepted by GMP, technical and organization aspects and equipment regarding cleaning procedure, design and material aspects, requalification, CIP aspects, riboflavin test, maintenance, how to write a cleaning validation protocol, team and project validation creation, benchmarking, best practice, GMP requirements and the best practice for a protocol, redaction and constant quality attribute to be tested for non and sterile manufacturing, sampling and analyzing methods overview, example through a case study, validation and implementation in routine. Thank you.